Hey everybody, how's it going? Thanks for watching Manny Skill Modeling, and it is Prime Day, Gaahlerie's Prime Day on Amazon. So I'm going to put the code up here and go check that out. I have the link below with the code too. Ends tomorrow, so you can go get some awesome airbrushes, paints, tools. Go check that out. I'm going to have some pictures coming up. As your guys are watching that, I'm going to be getting this ready to wet sand. We're going to go step by step with the compound, swirl remover, and the polish using the display polisher. Love this thing. It's awesome. So we got our 2000 wet dry sandpaper. Going to get some warm water and some Dawn soap, a couple drops. We got our 2000 grit God Hand sanding block, and we got our display pads. So we're going to start with the coarse with the compound, the medium for the swirl remover, and extra fine for the wizard's polish. Got our microfiber towels. So check this out, and I'm going to start working on this so I can get this video up. And if you haven't seen the simple mural, airbrushing a simple mural, it's on my channel. Just something quick. I am going to be doing another one, and we're going to be doing different stuff with the moon and also the clouds. We're going to use the paper towel instead of stencils, because the stencils make it more hard edges. We don't want hard edges, we want the soft edges. So check that out. I had a bunch of people asking me if I did the polisher with 2K clear, so we're going to do that one. And I did the dart and I think another model with the polisher too, but we'll do it on camera, and we'll do all the steps start to finish. And let's see, the dragon mural van that I did, that was clear coated with the clear varnish from Kaleido, so from Gaahleri. So still turned out awesome. So we'll give that a try. So check out Gaahleri stuff on Amazon, guys, and see you soon.